Hey folks, I'm Paul from Barbecue Land and Hitchin, Hertfordshire's specialist in barbecues. Today I'm going to show you how to cook a rack of lamb on the Masterbuilt Gravity Fed Series 560. I'm going to show you how we get the barbecue set up, and then how we're going to prepare the lamb, and then you get to see the fantastic results. To prepare your barbecue, the first thing you need to do is fill the hopper with your choice of lumpwood or briquettes. Today I'm using these ProQ Kosher shell briquettes. They've been really good so far, especially at low temperatures. It hardly uses any, and when I've been using it at 500, 700 degrees Fahrenheit, they're burning really well and lasting a long time. Once you've filled up the hopper, make sure it's locked nice and tight. The next stage is to take out the air and the fuel intake slides. You'll soon know if you've skipped that step. The temperature of your barbecue will stay around 55 degrees Fahrenheit until you eventually realise, so make sure you do this step. The next stage is to take some natural fire lighters. I like to use two. Make sure they're a little bit smaller than the thick ones. We place them into the charcoal grate. We then light these and leave it burning for a good 1 to 2 minutes. And once that's been going nicely, what we'll do is we'll lock the door. To start a barbecue, we'll turn it on. We then want to press the temperature button and set our desired temperature of 162 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And then press the temperature button. I'll now show you how I did that on the app as well. Inside of the barbecue, it's nice and simple. One of the good things about this grill is the grill grates are prepared for either smoking or searing. So you want to make sure that they're flipped over in the smoke position. And then we're going to be placing our lamb directly on the grill grates. Once the lamb is on, we're going to be smoking that for an hour. To start, we need to make a paste. We require half a teaspoon of red chili flakes, half a teaspoon of coriander, half a teaspoon dried thyme, half a teaspoon of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of kosher salt, about 4 or 5 garlic cloves, and 2 tablespoons of rosemary, fresh rosemary if you've got it. We then need 30 ml of olive oil, 30 ml of white wine. As it locks down, I'm going to use 50, and 60 grams of butter. We take all of those ingredients and we add them to a bowl. And then give it a good mix. Once you've made your paste, it's time for the messy part. Here we have 2 racks of lamb. A good tip, I've wrapped each of the bones in a small piece of foil. These will stop them from burning a little and make the presentation a little bit nicer towards the ends. The next part is nice and easy. We take that paste and rub that all over our lamb, making sure that we get that everywhere we possibly can. Lay out a sheet of cling film. Put that in there. I'll give these a wrap. And you want to repeat this for the second rack. Place these in your fridge for 4 hours. Our grill is up to temperature, and now it's time to put on the lamb. Take your choice of fruity wood and throw this into the bottom of the firebox. The lit embers will now create the smoke inside the chamber. Take your food probe, set it in position 1, put it through. The lamb is ready, let's take it off the grill. Be careful, the probes can be very hot. Look at that, they look fantastic. As you can see, the lamb came out amazing, and the smell in here is fantastic. If you'd like to see more about the gravity fed, head over to barbecueland.co.uk. If you like this video, make sure that you like and subscribe to our channel.